All right, welcome back everyone to our continuing stay-at-home lockdown order series of videos. I am lead trainer Tim Bohen here in my home office because we're all working from home these days with my lack of a haircut and my unshaven beard for the last 2 months. Today we're going to talk about why a market crash isn't the end of the world. Okay, there's a lot of uncertainty out there for sure, but the great thing about short-term trading is there is unlimited opportunities the more the volatility is there. All right, everyone, as I mentioned, I'm lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen. Be sure to subscribe, like these videos, and also ring that bell. Especially as we've gone into this uncertain time, I've been going live a lot more on YouTube. We're putting out 2-3 videos a week now, sometimes even more. We've got the podcast on the channel. We've got short This Week in Steady Trade bits. We've got these tips and tricks. We've got lives. There's just a ton of information out there. And I want you to ring that bell so you get notified. I mean, I'm talking about stocks that are actionable right now, especially when we go live. So ring that bell to be notified ASAP. And that being said, also be sure to go down below, click the link, and check out StocksToTrade Pro. That is a mentorship program where I go live every single day, twice a day. Actually, on Mondays, I go live 3 times a day. Every market open, every market close, and as well on that Monday night, we also do a nightly strategy session where we talk about psychology, trade plans, really getting into the nitty gritty of this. And this is, again, every day, twice a day. So you're never more than a couple hours from another live webinar where you can ask about a specific ticker, you can ask about a specific chart pattern. I think it's one of the great ways to really maximize your time right now stuck at home. So check out StocksToTrade Pro. Look forward to working with you. Would love to see you in the room. It's a small group. I love working with them. I'm there every day, every single trading day. So that being said, let's talk about the market crash. Okay, so scary times out there, especially you go back to in March, you're looking at a 1 year, 1 day chart of the SPY. We went from late February, all-time highs, record highs, an incredible run, going all the way back to the financial crisis in 2007 to 2009. That was the last time we had that real hard pullback. I mean, basically, since then, a 12, 13-year bull run. And then all of a sudden, coronavirus comes, shutdown orders come, uncertainty comes, and you see these huge drops. I mean, look at that drop from late February to mid-March. Now we're grinding back now, but I don't think we're out of the woods yet. So that's what I want to talk about today. The odds are, simple fact is, the unemployment is raging. Many of you might be watching this video because you're laid off or maybe you completely lost your job and you're looking to learn trading because you're looking for a way to supplement your income. And listen, I think the jobs numbers are probably going to get worse. Real estate markets, we've already seen oil just get destroyed because of lack of demand. So I think we're going to see some more big moves to the downside in the short term. Now, I'm crazy bullish long term. Okay, bring up a 100-year chart of the overall markets. I mean, I believe in America. I believe in the markets. I believe in innovation. I believe in humans. I believe that we will fix this virus thing. Personally, sometimes I can maybe be a little too optimistic. Maybe I think we'll come out better for it long term. Okay, a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, I think society, I think mankind, humankind, the economy, jobs, everything will be better. Now, what happens between now and next year, 2 years, 3 years, that's what we're talking about today. So now, what I like about this volatility and what is great for you is you're watching these videos, you're learning, and the more you learn, the more you pay attention, check out Stocks to Trade Pro, the more you can profit from this volatility, okay? I think the best opportunities out there are in short-term trading. When we talk short-term trading, it's day trading and then maybe multi-day, multi-week swing trading. I think when you see these kind of market moves, it's really difficult to grow an account in the short term with long-term investing. Okay, you might get lucky here and there, but what happens when that drop in February comes and your stock gets destroyed? Now, if you've got a 5 or 10 year time frame, if you're Warren Buffett with a 30-year, Warren has stocks that he's owned for decades because that's his mindset. Now, most of you, I'm thinking, you're either new, you're probably starting with a small account, or both, and you're looking to grow that account quickly, and you're looking to supplement your income or maybe be your entire income. And I don't think you can do that with long-term holding. Now, your retirement account, please. Okay, what we're talking about is day trading and speculation. Please, when it comes to your retirement account, don't touch that. Just leave it in an index fund. Let it grow. And if you're 25 right now, or you're 35, or you're 65 like I am, let that grow and just let it do its thing. But what we're talking about is short-term trading. I think that's where the best opportunity is to grow your account, supplement your income, etc. And when we get these volatile times, it's the best time to trade. And especially when we get these hot sectors. So keep in mind, look at something like NVAX. This is a stock, I'm recording this on May 13th, 2020. This thing just gapped up on earnings, broke out on good news. They had a contract win. It's a virus play. Look at this stock from February till now. Now, again, whether you hold it for months or weeks or one day, this is what is great about these times. I mean, this stock is up. This was a $4 stock in January, February. And even think about this, okay? 2 days ago, this was a $20 stock, okay? 2 days ago. Now, a lot of you might say, hey, I want to trade penny stocks. I mean, when you're trading the right higher price stocks, I mean, think about it. If you had 100 shares of NVAX, let's say you bought, at that $24 breakout, and you had 100 shares, and then it gaps up and it goes to as high as 44 plus. I mean, that's a $2,000 gain on a $4,000 position. Not bad. And we've seen these moves over and over and over again in the virus sector. And there's always going to be a hot sector. CODX. I have loved this stock since the beginning of the virus run. Look at that gap up, and then look at when it breaks out in February. It goes from 4 to 22. Yes, pulls back, but it goes into a consolidation period here. Just broke out 2 days ago, same time as NVAX. It's up $3 a share. And we see this in the low price virus sector too. So what is awesome about right now is we have the hottest hot sector of all time. We also have more market participants. So no matter what happens with the virus stock run, there will be another hot sector. There will be, I think we're going to see increased volatility forever. Why? Number one, go back to last fall. Pretty much every broker went commission free. This was before any of the virus stuff. You had so many new market participants, so many more buyers. I mean, I'm telling you, the volume we see these days is, it's insane, the volume we see in low price stocks these days. I mean, we have stocks trade 300, 400 million shares a day, $2, $3 stocks. I never, ever saw that before a year or so ago, because you've got, commission free means more trading. I also credit it to the Bitcoin run back in 2017. We saw so many more buyers, so many more market participants, as they say, when Bitcoin went crazy, because everyone's like, whoa, look at these moves. We had a crypto stock run, and then Bitcoin pulls back, and kind of went quiet for a while. It's back right now, thanks to the halvening. But it just turned, I credit Bitcoin for turning a ton of people into active traders, because they either traded Bitcoin or they saw Bitcoin, and then now they're looking to get in to the penny stocks, to the low price stocks. And then the last thing is, back to my joke about the beard and the lack of a haircut, is the lockdown orders. If you go back to number one, timeline wise, I think Bitcoin blew it wide open with more people trading. Number two, lump on top of that, commission-free trading. And number three, everyone's stuck at home, either unemployed or maybe you're still working. I mean, I hope you're still working, but you're working from home. Maybe you can kind of day trade and the boss doesn't know, you know? So I think those three things are the three biggest reasons why you do not have to worry about the market crash. Let your 401k, let your IRA do what it does, especially if you're young. I have 100% confidence in the American economy, the American markets. Now, if you're 87 years old and you might want to be pulling some of that money out, but I'm guessing most of you are younger or middle-aged. Leave your 401k alone, leave your IRA alone. I am confident we'll be ripping back in the long term. Short term, take advantage of these times, man. And I just brought up CODX and NVAX as two examples from today because they both went red to green today. But there are hundreds of stocks. Yesterday and Monday, I was doing my watch list in StocksToTrade Pro. We had 20 stocks that were ripping on news with volume. We never used to see that in the past. So take advantage of this time. I've said this in almost every one of these videos during the stay-at-home order. Listen, you can mope, you can complain, you can get down on yourself, or you can take advantage of this uncertainty and be better for it. One of my favorite quotes is, hard times make hard men. Hard men make easy times make weak men, and then easy times have to create hard men to come out of that. And I butchered the quote. You can Google it, but it's just the fact that the only way you get better is through adversity. And, again, if you're stuck at home, if things aren't going well, I get it. But iron sharpens iron, okay? There's all these quotes out there. Think about, everyone always jokes about the trust fund babies. If you're a trust fund baby, you always end up being a screw up because you never had adversity. Take advantage of this time, learn, grow, and get better. And I really, really honestly think StocksToTrade Pro is one of the best ways to do that. I put it all out there every single day. I'm never late. I never miss a day. I'm always there to teach you these patterns, these techniques, these setups. Take advantage of it. Check out StocksToTrade Pro, and I look forward to working with you soon.